Hey you guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. Finally, I'm back. It's me, your Badero Kalakwatse, and it's been a while guys. Na-miss ko kayo. I think it's like almost a month yata kung walang upload na video. So yun nga, medyo kailangan lang natin magpahinga kasi yung online school ng anak ko, so medyo nakaka-stress and medyo maraming modules, so I need to help my son. And speaking of that, I would like to congratulate all the teachers, parents, and students na nakaka-survive dito sa online school, sa new normal natin when it comes to education. But hindi naman dun yung pag-uusapan natin ngayon. For today's vlog, guys, another workout routines ang gagawin natin, and tamang unat-unat lang ulit, and we need to get back in track. At medyo nagtatago na ang mga pandesal natin. Wow, pandesal, feeling. Mag-unbox tayo ng isang workout equipment. Okay? So, most probably, magagamit siya. Very useful siya. You can use it anywhere. You can bring it anywhere. Especially at home. Kasi, lalo na ngayon, pandemic, medyo, like me, medyo worry pa ako pumunta sa gym. So, very useful siya. So, stay tuned guys. Abangan natin ang ating pa-unboxing and some routines using resistance band. So guys, I actually bought it in Lazada for like 999 pesos. It's actually a FitWorks 11 pieces resistance bands set for resistance training, physical therapy, home gyms, and yoga. What I like most with these resistance bands, it has a travel pouch where you can bring it and use it anywhere. Another thing, it also has a training guide which serves as your manual and where you can follow some routines. Aside from that, it also has one yellow resistance band for 10 pounds, one blue resistance band for 20 pounds, one green resistance band for 30 pounds, one black resistance band for 40 pounds, and one red resistance band for 50 pounds. It also has two ankle and wrist cuffs, two handles, and one door anchor. So, that's it for today, guys. As you saw earlier, nag-unbox tayo at few routines using resistance band, and actually there's a lot of routines that you can do using the resistance band. When you actually buy the resistance band, meron siyang manual which serve as your guide kung ano yung mga routines na pwede nyo gawin. So for me, at first sabi ko parang hindi naman yata tinatamaan yung mga muscles na gusto kong tamaan, pero after a while sobrang feeling ko napaka-effective niya, kasi after ng mga routines ko dun sumakit yung mga muscles na gusto kong tamaan talaga. Diba? Puro tama. May tama na rin yata talaga ako. But anyway, for me, it's effective. Maganda siya. And it really helps, lalo na ngayong pandemic, para magstay tayo dito sa bahay lang. You can actually use it inside your house. So, paano guys? Siguro hanggang dito na lang. I hope nakapag-share na naman ako ng another workout routines using another workout equipments, the resistance bands. But before I say goodbye, gusto ko lang i-shout out yung YouTube channel ng kapatid ko, Jane and Star Vlogs. The link is on the description box. You can subscribe to their channel kung gusto nyo lang tumawa, good vibes, pampasaya. Subscribe na kayo guys. So paano ako din, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell para updated na rin kayo sa mga happenings natin. And of course, I have my social media account, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook. Kita-kits tayo dun guys. It's all there on the description box. Follow nyo lang ako. So paano guys, see you on my next vlog. Bye-bye!